In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout settings in Shopify. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin at admin.shopify.com. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store. In the menu on the left side, click Checkout. You should now be on the Checkout settings page, where you'll see sections like Configurations, Customer Accounts, Customer Contact Method, and other checkout options. Scroll down until you reach the Customer Contact Method section. Here, Shopify lets you choose how customers identify themselves during checkout. You can leave it set to email, or you can allow phone number or email. For this setup, select Phone Number or Email. Just below that, there is also an option to show a link for customers to track their order with Shop. If you want that tracking link to appear, check that box. Next, scroll to the Customer Information section. This controls which information fields appear during checkout and whether customers must fill them in. Under Full Name, choose either Require First and Last Name or Only Require Last Name. Under Company Name, select Optional. This adds a company field to the shipping form without making it required. Under Address Line 2, Apartment, Unit, etc., select Optional. Then find Shipping Address Phone Number and choose either Optional or Required, depending on how you want that field handled at checkout. Continue down to the Marketing Options section. Under Email Marketing, check the box to show an email opt-in checkbox at checkout. After that, choose where the checkbox appears. You can place it at checkout, at Sign In, or in both places. If you also want SMS marketing available, turn on the SMS opt-in option in the same section. Now, scroll to the Tipping section. If you want to offer tips during checkout, check Show Tipping Options at checkout. Once that is enabled, set the tip presets. The defaults are 10%, 15%, and 20%, so leave those values in place for this setup. Next, go to the Address Collection Preferences section. Click Address Collection to open the panel. Inside this panel, choose whether to allow shipping and billing address to be different. Then choose whether to require the shipping and billing address to match. After you've made those selections, click Done to close the panel. Now save the checkout settings. You can click Save at the bottom of the page or use the Save button in the top right. Your changes for checkout behavior are now saved. Go back to the top of the checkout settings page. In the Configurations section, click Customize. This opens the Checkout and Accounts editor. In the editor sidebar, click the gear icon to open the style settings. Scroll to the Logo section. Click Add Image. Upload your logo from your computer or choose one from your media library. After the image is added, adjust the logo max width so the logo displays at the size you want. Then choose the logo alignment. You can set it to center, left, or right. After that, scroll down to the Color section. Click the color box next to buttons to open the color picker. Enter the hex code carefully as number sign 2E86AB. This sets the button color. Then click the color box next to accents and set the link color. If you want to customize error messages too, click the color box next to errors and choose that color as well. Now move to the typography section. Click the headings drop-down and select the font you want to use for checkout headings. Then click the body drop-down and select the font for the body text. These two choices control how text appears throughout the checkout experience. Scroll further to the Checkout Layout section. Click the Correct Layout option to expand the available choices. Here, select One-Page Checkout if you want the entire checkout flow on a single page, or select Three-Page Checkout if you want the traditional step-by-step flow with separate pages. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor to apply the design changes. To preview the checkout, return to your Shopify admin, go to your online store, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout so you can see the updated checkout experience in action. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.